Having trouble with the Spotify app on your Android or iPhone? In this video, we've got the most effective solutions to get it back up and running. Let's dive in. Before diving into the solutions, make sure to check Spotify's server status. Head over to the Down Detector website, search for Spotify, and review the graph for any reported outages in the last 24 hours. If there are no outages, let's tackle the issue with these effective solutions. To begin, force close and relaunch the Spotify app on your device. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, swipe up on the home screen to access the app switcher, and swipe up again to kill the Spotify app. If the problem still lingers, navigate to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Spotify, and update the app if a newer version is available. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, you can try clearing the cache on Android. Long press the Spotify app icon and tap on App Info. Go to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Reopen the app to see if the issue is fixed. With these solutions, your Spotify app should be back in action. Subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these specially chosen videos just for you.